Athletics for QPPSSA again this week. Last week the Year 5 and 6 boys and girls took part in 10 different disciplines, including throwing, jumping, shuttle runs, chest push, all the coordination and skills.
It's always a great experience for the children to try new activities, and they always have a really good time. The event's well organised and it runs very smoothly with the help.
Fantastic that we're here today and be able to compete against lots of other different schools in the area. It's a good bit of fun and a good bit of competition. It's amazing that the kids get a taste of a competitive sport.
It's a really good day for our Year 3 and 4s to get out and practice the events that they've been doing in lessons against other schools in a competitive situation, and I think it's great for them to develop them as little athletes.
Today has been a fabulous day because it gives the children an opportunity to experience competitive environment. It helps to improve their athletic skills.
I must say, in total, the organisation here has been outstanding, and I think in all round the students really are having a great day. Thank you very much to Newton International Academy for putting this day together.
Being a volunteer at the Primary Sports Day has been an experience. It teaches us patience and how to deal with little kids and how to organize stuff and how to get things done in a certain period of time. So I think that helps me a lot.